What's up, y'all? If you're new here, my name is MadisonPayn and I'm a full-time Instagrammer and blogger, and now I'm a baby YouTuber, so thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more hair content. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my new Whirl Trio. T3 actually did send this to me, and I just got this in the mail yesterday, and I was so pumped about it that I switched up my video plans and decided to do my video today testing it out, and that's also why my hair looks horrendous right now. That's because we're going to test out some curls. I'm already a huge fan of the T3 brand. I have the 1 1/4 curling iron that I've shared with you guys a bunch, and this is actually how they noticed me on Instagram, and so they asked if they could send me more of their products since I loved this one so much, and I said duh. So that is how I have this one. Full disclosure, I did not buy it. I will link this one and the other one below though. So what I think makes this so cool is you actually get one body of the wand, I guess you could call it, and then you get 3 wands in this set, so you can do 3 different looks with just one base. I bet it's called a base. So this is what the base looks like. I'm not even sure that that's correct, but for this video we'll call it the T3 base. Like I said, it does come with the 3 different barrels. This one is for what they're calling undone waves. This is the 1-inch straight. I was kind of expecting this one to look a lot like whatever my curls look like out of this one, but I did not realize that this is bigger. So this one, like I said, is my curling iron that's 1 1/4, and this is 1 1/2. This is gonna be a huge curl. I'm actually excited about this one. And then this one is for what they're saying tousled waves. It's the tapered barrel that is 0.75 here, and then it goes all the way to 1 1/4 at the end. I've seen some other people say that this is what gives them their mermaid curls, so I'm also really excited to try this one. And in my box here I also got a little bag, it looks like, from my T3 and all my tools. Oh, it also, oh, that's cool. Okay, inside the bag, it's black. I'm not sure you guys will actually be able to see, but there are different pouches, so you can separate your wands out. If you guys can see it, if they're actually in there. So they have all these separate pouches, so you can, I'm assuming, travel with it or store it. So that's really fun. And then it also does come with a heat-resistant glove. I am pretty used to using wands. Now that I said that, I'm sure I will burn myself. Because I'm like, oh, I know how to use a wand. I am going to use one for this video just to switch out the barrels because they are going to be warm since I'm using all 3 of them right now. Y'all, curling your hair, but make it fashion. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the 1-inch to heat up, and I am seeing now that it has a little lock and unlock button. I actually didn't lock it, but that's fine. The next one, I'll just make sure that I lock. They did send me this little info sheet on the convertible collection. There are actually 7 barrels total, so once you have the base, then you can just buy the, I already forgot what we call it. Barrel, yeah. So you can just buy different barrels and you can change them out. And they're saying it's a custom blend of ceramic material coating that the barrel seals the cuticle for fast, healthy, shiny results. Which I will say, when I use my other curling iron, my hair does look very shiny and pretty. And the single pass technology offers consistent and even heating, so that styling is quick, heat exposure is minimized, and your waves or curls last all day. I will say my hair does not hold a curl very well, so my bigger curling iron, the 1 1/4, will hold my curl for the day. It's definitely not curls that last days on end, so I'm interested to see if, especially the smaller ones of the wand, do last all day on the T3. Okay, it feels hot. It feels very hot to me. I'm gonna do, I guess, a few around my face. I'll do a few bigger ones maybe in the back, and then I'll do the mermaid ones to the side. I have my mirror to the side of me over here. Okay, so this is the 2 pieces with the 1-inch straight barrel. I'm actually super into this. I think that's a really pretty curl. I did curl away from my face for both of them, and I just left a little bit out of the barrel, but I think that looks super pretty. So now I'm gonna turn the curling iron off for a minute. Let's see if holding it down turns it off. It does. And I'm gonna switch out barrels. Okay, so now we are on to the tapered wand. Like I said, this is the 1 1/4 at the base, and then it goes to a 0.75 of an inch. So let's try this one. I'll do it on this right here so you can see a little better. And for this one, I'm gonna keep a little more hair out of it because this one is supposed to be for a more tousled look. Y'all, I really, really like that. I mean, this is fun. It's a different look too, but I really like this one. Okay, so that is 2 pieces, like I said, with the mermaid wand. Y'all, I really love that. Whenever I was switching out wands, I did take a minute, so these have already kind of fallen a little bit and they look really nice, so I'm sure that this will fall too. But I love how that looks. I might use this one to curl my whole head when we're done with our little curl test, because I am really, really into that look. Switching wands. Hold please. Okay, so now I have the 1.5 barrel, and this is for loose waves, and I'm gonna do this at the back of my hair. Again, curling away from my face. You obviously can curl away from your face towards your face. That's just normally how I do it when I curl my hair, is I curl away from my face. Really interested to see if this one, doing it a separate time, doing my whole head with this one, if it holds a curl, just because, y'all, I have really fine hair. I have a big problem with big curls holding. Super pretty. Looks very different from the other ones, but it's very pretty. Okay, I'm gonna toss my hair back so you guys can really see. Okay, so these curls are the ones that I just made with the biggest barrel. It's the straight 1.5 inch barrel, and you can see all of the curls look super different. Let me just go ahead and toss this hair back too so you guys can see the differences. So just to recap, this was the 1 inch straight barrel for the undone waves, and I think that looks really pretty how this turned out. I feel pretty confident that this one will hold for my hair. Love the tapered barrel, which is these front pieces right here, and then of course ending with our 1.5 inch straight barrel. So yeah, those are the 3 curls. Y'all, I am into this. I love that with this set you can make so many different hair looks. I fought this for a long time. I know I am late on the bandwagon, but I fought the T3 thing for a long time because every blogger bish, let's be real, uses them. But y'all, there's a reason why. They are really great quality, high quality curling irons. So I'm going to, don't know what this is, the scarecrow. So I'm going to curl my hair and then I will be right back. I'm gonna pick one of the barrels to do my whole head with. Maybe the tapered one. I think I like this little tapered nugget right here. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product using the tapered barrel. I think towards the end of the video, I'm finally getting remembering what this little piece is called, the tapered barrel. This is also cool right here, which I do like. So if you see me, that's why I'm not burning myself, is because all of their tips are cool. The heat doesn't go all the way, but y'all, I love how these curls turned out. My hair looks so smooth too. I kind of feel like whenever you curl your hair, you can tell if it's going to hold a curl or not, and I feel very confident that this will hold a curl. So I will update you guys over on Instagram at MadisonReedPayn if y'all are interested to see if this holds up, but I feel really good about it, and I think this looks so fun and very different from my normal curls. Plus, like I said, my hair looks so shiny and pretty. If you guys want a dedicated video for any of the other barrel sizes showing what my full head looks like more than just our little curl test, let me know below in the comments. Also, if you're a new subscriber, why am I doing this? What am I directing? Flight patterns. If you're a new subscriber, please let me know below in the comments. I've had some of my new subbies tell me that they're new here and what video they found me from, and I think it's so fun and I would love to talk to you guys. And I also don't think I mentioned earlier, I do have a video on my actual T3 curling iron that I will also drop here on how to give yourself a blowout, but I love how these curls turned out, y'all. So thank you guys so much for watching this, and T3, if you ever see this, thank you guys so much for my curling iron. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited, and be sure to follow me over at Instagram at MadisonReedPayn if you guys don't already. And until my next video, guys, bye!